Hi. Okay. Alright. I'm a friend of Ariana's, and Ariana told me to show her how to scrunch hair. Okay. And I'm using this stuff. I don't know if it'll work, but it's been working so far. So, I'm gonna go with it. Let's not let you look in that closet or that door. Okay. Alright. You have to have your hair wet and your hands damp. And you have to have your hair down, of course. Unless you're like putting it in your up. So then first tie your hair. This is what my gel looks like. You get like enough you use. You can't really see the little silver lining there. This smells good. So like rub it between your hands. Mine's like really sticky. No! Okay, I got that on my foot. Okay, like that. And what you do. Put your head over. Hold it one more time. Stretch. Put one hand so I do. Take one hand. Hello. You can get more. Sorry, I can't look at you right now. Don't say yes from away now. Meet you when you have at that door. Look at my little haystack of hair right there. Since I didn't really perfectly do it, it should, at the worst, end up like mine. And if it doesn't, you do not know how to make hair. Just trying to like fix something up here. Just got curls in the back. Alright. Okay, and since I have this kind of creepy styler, I have to blow dry it so it can get drier. And